So now, before we mount the LED to the plus trim, we need to test it, make sure the LED is good. So just do the quick test, make sure LED is good, then before we do the installations. It's already been set, okay. Alright. Just hook it up. Let's see what happens. Alright, everything looks good. So, ready to be installed. As I just mentioned, we are not going to use original one because we don't need to, and the new one is much thicker. So what we're going to do, we know the wires come up on this side. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to like see how position how we're going to mount it. But you can mount all the way here. Try to mount in the center. So alright, got an idea. Okay, so now we peel off the double side tips. Okay, where's my twister? Okay, oh, here we go. Okay, alright. See that? Peel it off. Again, kind of do a little bit. Alright, then make sure the wire come up on this side. Pull the wire out down. That's it. You can just use your hand like this. See? See like this. You see better? So kind of like this. Alright, do the second one. I'll set aside the old effect. Okay. The same thing, just repeat the same procedure on this side. Okay, make sure the wire comes out this side. Oh. Almost there again? Okay, that's okay. Okay, so the wire, everything set. Now, first thing we're gonna put it back, it's a plexiglass. As all this, most of the Changhua, the trick is, you know, just like this. Set a plastic film face down, and we're gonna put down the plexiglass back. But be sure, again, the rough runs on the bottom. So this side is the bottom side. So smooth side is on the top, so you can touch it. So this is the bottom one. This is gonna be on the top. I mean on the bottom. So this one is correct. But before you do that, the other side we can clean it later on. But this side you need to clean it. Very important. Make sure there's no dirt. Don't worry about it. There's a marking, so you won't. You will be sure going the right direction. There's some markings. There we go. It's all in. Again, boom, 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 clean. This shit too on the bottom. Oh, you need to clean a little bit too. Okay. Clean it. Not a little bit. Just make sure it's clean. No rush. There's a marking too. So this is not the right side. That's the right side. Okay, I will double check on this side. Bottom looks good. Okay. Now we are ready to put back the metal plate. So make sure it's the right direction, and basically you just put it like this. It's in. It's in. Okay. Next thing, put back 4 screws that holding a plastic film. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're gonna flip over. Okay, right. This is the hard part. We make sure it's clean. Yep, it looks clean. We're gonna grab a diffusion sheet here. Make sure it's clean too. Again, there's always a marking, so I think this is the right one. No, this is the right one. Just make sure it's close. Now the diffusion sheet is in place, and I just make sure everything's clean. It takes time. Now we are ready to put back the liquid glass. Because the diffusion sheets like this, I cannot flick over to put the liquid glass. Otherwise, this will fall off again. So we're gonna find a way. We're gonna put it on the top, do the other side, other way. I'll show you. Make sure the liquid glass is clean, 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 clean. Make sure there's a direction. Then you just have to do like this. Okay. Make sure it sits inside. Oh, sits really well. Okay, sits inside. You grab it like this. Now you flick over like this. Okay. Now we got ready to put back the metal frame. Okay, the metal frame. Make sure it's the right directions. So always be sure. Yeah. This is the right direction here. Get your hand behind. Click, click, click. Okay, put back the 4 screws that we are holding the interface modules. I'm going to take out my glove. I don't need to use it, so it's easier for me to put a small screw on. Alright. Okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Now, on this side, you can add some tapes, or you can just leave it like as is. It doesn't matter, okay? Now, we're going to add a couple more tapes to secure these 2 wires. And one, just like that. The other one, okay. There we go, and that's it. As you can see, we don't even need to use this aluminum foil at all. So again, this is procedures for the Changhua screen 15-inch that use an Elo Touch screen part number CLAA150XP03F. See, it's quite easy. You don't even have to solder the wires. If you replace the CCF backlight lamp, you need to solder the old wire back to the new lamp. So because the LED kit, there's no soldering required. Thank you for watching.